Thank you and good morning to everybody. You see your program, I think there are some drops here. SN Tripathi. Vikas Agarwal has come. He has been shifted. Please, Vikas, please take a seat. And then our friend from Bangladesh, Asaduজ্জামান. So, as you see in your program, this is the second session panel, I would say, and this is for e-services delivery, enabling e-government. Just for opening remarks, I would request you to recall what Mr. Satyanarayana has told, and he tried to impress upon all of you that centricity of the e-governance would only have a meaning when there are services, effective services, efficient services, which is citizen-centric. To that extent, the difference between G2C, that 2 gets removed and it becomes G plus C. Okay, so we have 5 panelists here, and as we see that Krishnan has got some meeting at 12 o'clock, so he requested that he can be put as the first speaker. Being a former colleague in DIT, so I will become biased. And I should allow myself to become biased and ask your permission for that. So Krishnan, I'll request him to give a very small self-briefing, but I would say that he has been in the forefront of this e-governance, so to say the first in the country when the customs and excise things were getting there, when DIT didn't have even an e-governance cell, where I joined in 2001 February. So he brings with him enough experience, both theory and practice. And as on 2012, he will be a very good resource person who can tell you all the ground realities. Unfortunately, I didn't know about his speaking topic, but I would expect that he will tell us about the e-services in his current assignment. I know he is in the general tax and he's in systems, so he deals with the real e-systems. And I will first request him to come, and then one after another other speakers can join. Krishnan, please. You can slightly self-introduce yourself.